Oh.
Uy.
Gatas.
Gatas.
Oh, chocolate.
Bigas. Isang kilo.
There's no fun. Everyone just want to open it.
Like you guys are supposed to be useless. Oh.
Parang sabon yan ah.
I'm keeping it.
Pwedeng i-steal din yan.
Hindi, bawal na. Kasi ano eh. Bunso ko eh.
You're like,
Everyone's
not
just,
fun.
everyone's just happy to what they
Yeah.
get.
The next rounds maybe there'll be more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I use this one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Napapa-English eh.
Napahirap yun.
Ayaw mo pa bukas.
Bakit mo naman kasi
Well, thank you for playing so nice together.
Oh!
Do you like playing?
Wow.
Ano yan? Ano?
Kisses and
Cadbury.
Cadbury.
Wow. Favorite?
Who's number 6?
Alin pa? Alin pa? Still?
Steal.
Still!
Junior mo pa.
You can steal someone else.
Paano yan pa?
Open it.
So if I steal that
You
again.
can't steal it back.
Oh, that's how it
You
works.
can't like.
Okay, yes, mas masarap to.
So now you can steal someone's or you can open another one.
Oh, okay.
Find the other one like that.
Ganun lang pa kayo? Di ba dalawa lang sa inyo?
Wow!
So I take the blue one, please.
Swerte.
Swerte.
Alam mo talaga.
Parang ano?
Saan yun eh?
Pag ilang frozen to, dalawa lang amin na.
Oh.
Tatlo. Wow. Ah, yeah.
Wow.
You're just hiding it. Number 8.
Emily, steal you.
She just stole it.
Para mapuprosen. Basan sa'yo.
Oh, now it's
Mama.
frozen. So depends still the cheese.
So,
anymore.
Papa, you can open or steal.
You got the chocolates from Daddy.
Stall mo daw yung mukhay Ace.
Bato ko.
Milk cappuccino.
Ano to?
Kape.
Fuji Mountain chocolate bar. Chocolate.
Alam ko, di ba?
Kape.
Emily.
I'm number 9. Obviously, I'm the last one. Let's see. I could just open it, but then it's over, so I'm gonna steal somebody.
You don't like the chocolate thing? Do not even.
We live together. If I steal it from you, you'll have
Then
keep
like,
it. Now it's frozen. Now we get to keep it.
Wow.
Oh, now you can...
maakin yan ma.
Ay, wala ang frozen na
Tatlo
yan.
na nga eh.
Open
Iba pa na, tatlo na.
You open it.
Or keep stealing.
Ikaw gusto ko may ano eh. Parang gusto ko.
Yung kay Sai? Yung kay Sai?
Okay, you
Mahal
can
to
steal
dito
from
eh.
somebody else, or you can open.
This is frozen?
Galing din sa inyo yan eh.
No, not.
You like turtles eh?
So do you.
You didn't know that?
Wow.
Ano yan?
Buksan niyo muna. Pinapakita na.
Infant? Infant?
Maliit na fan?
Infant?
Yes, it has a part.
Can I see?
That?
Remove it.
Ano yan?
Remove it.
Oh wait, can I see that?
Remove the... Remove the dog.
There you go. Earpods.
Oh.
Oh, number 2.
PS5.
Yeah. Oh.
Something fun.
Barbie!
Oh!
Oh, a board game! Yeah, Twister.
Takot sa balakang niya.
You know,
Wait, it's a board game.
Bakit mo yun ano?
have you not played it before?
I've never played this before, but I know how to play
Oh
it.
yeah. I thought the kids will like it.
Yeah.
Can you pass me the top one on the...
Are you number 8?
Fun.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's fun.
Okay.
Ayan, pan yan.
Grabe naman to.
Sige, sirain mo na.
Oh, Leah will help you.
Perfectionist nagbalot yan. May pinagmanahan eh.
What's that?
What ang galing. Nag-a-approach si Ria.
Wow.
You like it? Take and
Kaya
have
na pa
it.
hinahawakan ni Lien, binabagsak-bagsak.
Wow.
Ano yan?
Key finder? Ah, okay. No taste.
Ayos ah. Ayos ah. I'll steal. I'll steal. Ano eh, papanood
Gusto
din namin eh.
i-treat ni Michael yung
Mami.
handmade.
The like 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
No!
And then
So
he made
mean.
like a thoughtful gift for
Yeah.
mom and
Yeah, and
It's
for
so
Ryan
mean.
too, Michael give
an
a...
iPod or something. Oh.
Oh. It's so fun.
That's fun.
This is the wrong one. Oh, just kidding. Who's number 5?
Kay mama yan, malamang.
Ha?
Kay mama yan.
Ba, still or ano? Still or open?
Open.
Open.
May still open ba?
Hindi, tatanungin kayo.
Papa!
Ayoko na.
Ay, Papa! Nako, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Let's move na eh.
Mapapadali ang buhay niyo
Yun
niyan.
o!
Dami ko gano'n. Kahit magbatuan tayo nito. Hindi maubusan. May tatlo akong ganun.
Ginakalawang na yung ganyan niya.
May tatlo nga yung pangkalawang pambato.
Turn again.
Third.
But we stole it, so now you're done.
Oh,
Breakfast ni Cypher. Maganda to. Plain to.
nako, Papa!
Cutting board.
O chocolate na malaki.
Sige, open mo.
Yun o! Ganda!
Wow, fun!
May dalawa pa ang ganda na.
Ay, ginamit ko kanina eh.
Ay, magandang
Ace,
klase
lagyan mo dyan.
yan.
Sa basilan.
Who's next? 7?
Wow.
No stealing.
Leah, play more
Nako, isa pa yan.
vegetables.
Gamit na gamit yan.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Wow!
Yan. Pinapa-open. Ano Lia?
Saan yan? Saan yung galing?
Number 8.
It's me.
Ikaw?
Steal or open?
No. I'm gonna open.
Guys,
Di, ito pa isa.
Si Mama, ba't pula?
Hindi, 8 pa lang ako eh. I'll open this one.
Okay, I don't know where Leah put the other one.
Wala ka pa?
Or...
Maglang, check muna ba gusto mo to.
Ano yun ka pala?
Sige, baka na.
Iyak mag-i-steal ka.
This round, just nobody's stealing anything.
Oh, yung may
Ang galing ni Ate.
Wow.
Yung request ni Ate.
Wow. Yan, siya may request yan pa. Yan.
Ano ba to?
Request niya.
Ano to?
Ayan o.
Ano to?
Toothbrush sanitizer.
Hindi nga.
Oo.
Seryoso?
What is it?
Sanitizer?
Toothbrush holder and
Wait
with...
lang, tamang round ba pinasok nyo? Parang useful itong mga to.
Hindi, ganun talaga. Kailangan. Okay.
Oh, maybe later.
Parang sarap na kawin yan.
Yeah.
Time, did you pick already? Oh, you have
We saw one to my auntie's house. Tita Ana's house. May ganito.
Ito ba yun, Papa? Yung ihahawakan niya? I was actually planning to order it in Amazon. Mali!
Ma, still mo to. Isang bahay lang.
So we're just walking.
Ay, still mo yun.
Oh no, number 1 still gets a chance.
Papa, naman
Nay.
grabe number 1.
Nay,
Oh, yeah.
pwede kayo mag-steal si nanay. Kung may anong gusto niya.
Kung gusto niya
Oo.
ipapalit yan, Nay. Ayaw niya mag-still live.
Hindi, wireless earphone.
Lagyan ko yun. Kaya ko yung listin.
Other.
Tutusan ako magbukas ng ano.
Nangaling
mga
na.
Meron dyan ah.
Nasira na.
Palit na.
Ito dapat kinuha mo, Tio. Kung ito kinuha mo. Pero mas
Ano ba yan? Ay, mas
Parehas.
maganda yan. Hindi, ano yan? Patingin
Parehas.
naman. Parehas, pero kompleto yan.
Okay, Ace, maybe we're the ones.
Kailangan nyo rin yun,
We're
man.
the ones off the team.
It seems like everybody.
Oh, sangkalan ko rin.
Pa, ikaw, Juan? Ikaw.
Malaking sangkalan.
Ay, di mo, buksan mo pa.
Pwede itong gawing, pwedeng pantrabaho.
Bato at
Agdalan ba to? Mali.
Gawin mo yung pantrabaho eh. Exchange mo yung sa amin.
Ooh, it's a game.
Sino? Tanong pa ng tanong ano.
Si Papa, ang daming sinasabi. Hindi naman pabuksan.
Ayun, binuksan na. Oh, something's nice.
What's that? Let me see.
Ooh.
What's that?
Ay, ganda.
Hello?
Parang binigyan mo na niya sila.
Yours? Yeah?
Binuksan.
Ganda siya eh.
Ganda yan pa. Mahal yan. Nasa 100 yun eh.
Nagaganyanan pa naman.
Gusto mo yan pa? Gusto din namin yan.
Ay, massage papa using this.
awin ko yan.
Oy, ingat kayo ma. Pag napasobra yan, maano ang muscle niya.
Attachments for going deeper in the muscles, like the pointy one.
Yan.
Nice, nice, nice.
What color?
Tama-tama sa iyo mo. Dami mong puti.
Purple.
Tingga pala eh.
What was number 2?
Number 2.
I'll steal that.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Di ba meron akong ano, dolphin?
Hindi ka na naawa kay Papa.
Hindi,
Joke lang, joke lang. We need that too.
magkakampi dyan ah.
May dolphin ako. Hindi.
Sabi kasi pinaliwanag kasi nila kung ano, mga specs eh. Naengganyo tuloy. Hindi nga.
Oh, ayan, wala na mag-aaway.
Pwede mag-steal.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, taga-bulto niya kailangan.
Mili ng ano.
Wow.
Alam mo,
Laki-laki.
alam mo, game yan ha. Amazon.
Wow, Amazon.
Di pa binubuksan.
Na-excite yung
US
dito
to,
sa'yo.
Amazon eh.
Scissor, scissor.
Wow. Are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up all the food?
Mali sa'yo, nilo yung handle yan. Hindi binuksan yung kutsilyo.
Bunso talaga. Kakanta ka mamaya ha. Magko-concert ka.
Wow.
Yun! Yun!
Perfect!
Yeah! Yun! Kit, kit.
Ano ka?
Yung mag-steal pa.
Number ano ka?
4.
Ace.
Si Ace na.
Ano bang
Hindi mo
maganda?
meron.
Okay, so you number 4?
MK girl, the big one.
The big one?
The big one?
Lagi yung malaki.
See what's the...
Pwede ako makipag-subject.
Gonna steal that back from you. Do we need another one?
Nay, pagka na lang. Hindi kayo ba?
Hindi na, touch
Hawakan
move
mo
na eh.
But honey.
Touch move yan.
Yay!
Sabi nila na ito eh.
Sabi na eh. Akala ko sabi na Barbie.
Naku, bagay na bagay din sila na to.
Sabi ko na.
Sabi ko na eh.
Sabi ko na, lamesa eh.
Kailangan niyo ba yan?
Oo.
Nice, nice.
Sa office.
Kailangan pa rin namin ng isa.
Ah!
He keeps donating that.
Nasa na? Ayun yung bag natin.
I thought that one is
Again.
this kid's.
Yeah. That's for us.
I think that's.
Uh-oh.
I think that one is
Oh.
very
They have that already?
I have some, but not this set though.
Oh.
Very nice. Oh, it's heavy. Number 6.
6.
Gawat. Ay, nila pesa?
Hey, that's useful.
Oh, grab in the fridge.
Uy, meron tayo pang
Pakarap ko to eh. Pakarap. Wow!
What's that, Ma?
Amaso.
Cutting board.
Ah, table yan ah.
Wow, yung iyan, ah. Ano nagkamali?
Nice.
Scissor.
I would not recommend opening it
Oh,
because you'll have to
Oh,
assemble it.
don't.
Kasi
Ay, open na yan.
Look at the picture.
Ano yan? Yan na yun. Kasi i-assemble yung tile para maging ganyan. Oh.
No, in the rep.
7.
Ano yan?
Number 7.
Coffee table?
Coffee table na pwedeng lagay ng set.
Ano, ma?
Tapos pwedeng
Wala na, saan nilagay?
Bed, sofa,
sofa,
side table.
side table.
Hindi ko rin alam yun.
Oh, baka paper airplane yan.
Everybody's ignoring that and you guys
It's a gift card.
will regret
Yeah,
nothing.
probably. I didn't see it before.
Yeah.
Ano to?
Now everyone will want to steal it.
$50.
Ano to? Ba't may ganito?
Mawasak mo.
Check wala na, invalid
Check
na
yun,
yan.
tapos biglang na pinulit.
Don't rip it.
May ball pen? Ba't ito pinakasama?
Ma, hindi akin yan.
Kala ko sa sign na naman magkano.
Check yan ma.
Gift card.
Ask mommy.
Oh, remote?
Open.
Yung ba yung regalo natin? Ano ba naman?
What's that?
Wow.
Yan.
Pwedeng luto ng itlog sa gawa
Like
ng puto.
cooker. Nice.
Pang-uwi.
Ayos ah, paggawa ng itlog.
Oh, wag nyo na buksan. Tay,
Oh, it's a
wag,
baby.
wag na. Ayan yung picture.
It's very cute.
Ah.
Your turn, Dia.
Yan. Hindi sa yan. Hindi mo magagamit yan.
Si Mama.
Hindi mo papadala ng Pinas yan.
Regalo natin.
Di ma, after Dia's feeling, you can choose still or open.
Yeah, you can steal from anybody else.
Yeah, you can choose still or open.
Ang swerte mo dyan, Ace. Huwag ka na mag-steal.
Lang.
Ang swerte mo na rin sa uli.
Hindi. Gusto ko nung massager pa yun.
Kailangan ko. Mas gusto ko pang Amazon eh.
Give me 50.
Yeah.
Now you have to steal again from somebody else.
50 to, pag to 20 lang.
I don't trust that. I'll steal that one.
The fry pan.
Hindi, bakit kailangan ba natin yan?
Hindi, bawal na to. Bawal
Wala natin
Pangalawa na to eh. Pangalawa na to. Hindi, pangalawa na to. Hindi na to pwede. Hindi, pangalawa na.
Cypher, kunin mo yung pan, balik mo.
Ano?
Kunin mo yung pan.
Hindi, hindi pa.
You want some casserole, bitch?
Ayun sa'yo.
When you open it, Em, I'm
I
like,
know.
you can keep it.
Huwag say. Meron na kayo.
Cypher, palit na doon kay ate. Huwag yan, oh.
Ma!
Hindi na sa'yo nakawin mo.
O nga, wala na kayong ano. I-steal mo yan. Wala na.
Sige, ito na nga! Hindi ko na-steal na.
Open ka na to.
Open mo.
Tahaw ko na eh.
Oh, papalit na
Si
lang
Papa
tayo.
bumili niyan eh. No pa, kayo bumili niyan.
Papa naman kasi.
Pares din naman yan.
Yun oh.
Pares din naman tayo.
Oh, there you go! Better than the fan, Tito Sai.
Oo nga.
Now you can cook your eggs.
High-tech pa yan.
Pwede ako gumawa ng ano.
Who's number 1?
Kuyaki.
Who was number one?
Kuyaki oh.
Ace is number
Were
1.
you number 1?
No.
Who was number 1? Oh, you were number 1.
Yeah, Papa.
So you get one last chance to swap, but you don't have to if you want to keep that.
Keep.
Okay, good round.
Give Tito a hug. Give Tito a hug.
Oh, you.
Give me a hug. Give Tito a hug.
He's surprised too. What's in the box?
Leah, what's that?
Should we play with them?
Who's that? Who's that, Leah? Leah, who's that?
Let's open more and then make him play. Oh, let's open the other one first before we
Oh,
play.
maybe later. Maybe you let them
Let's
play
let's
that.
open. Say thank you. I'm gonna open the next one. Can I open the next one?
You have a new house.
Yeah? Say thank you to me.
What's
too.
that?
Say thank you or else.
Why are you holding that? You didn't get that.
Look, yes.
Whoa!
Ooh, I like this one.
You should plug one in to charge.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Try it, Kelly.
It might not be charged, Ace.
It should be. It should, you always.
Pwedeng steal ah.
Talagang alam na gagamitin talaga na.
Tayo ito, di ba?
Sa likod. Sa backdoor.
Para di na malamig din sa ano sa kabinet.
Ay, oo.
Ano yung dinonate namin yun?
Galing niya ka lang, mama.
Okay. Sige, buksan nyo. Yung isa, buksan nyo rin yung isa.
Yan ang buksan nyo.
Aww.
Yan, sabay nyo na. Yeah, palit kayo sa dalawa. Kasama yung mga iba pa rin.
O yan, kailangan natin. So, hindi mo ba alam yun?
Hindi mali yung points ni Dia.
Hindi mo alam yun. Ano ko yung gagawin ko.
Dami nyong iuwi.
George and Daddy
Konti pa lang yung balae. Konti lang ang timbang.
Wow! She's so
Grabe, dami papauwi kaya nanay.
Kaya nga.
Wow!
Nice, masarap.
Kaya pala, ina-hype ni Papa yun.
Inaano ni Papa?
Na-hype niya yung paliguran. Hype. Parang, sabi niya, mas maganda yung sa likod.
Hindi, maganda talaga yan. Kasi naka-design yan eh.
Dami mo in-order toothbrush holder pa.
Kaya yan eh, may promo.
Actually, one lang dapat, dagdagan ng zero.
Hindi, naroon set yung seller, dalawa ng sale.
Lagay niya ng toothbrush na.
Binalik pa nga sa amin 100 ng Amazon. Kay Cyper. Cyper yung hindi ano yan, pang-try kumpare.
Kasi sa Asya yan, Nay.
Ganda.
I don't know, maybe it's in the fridge.
Mga ganito gusto ko.
What are you trying to
Sarap
buy?
parang matulog na ito.
Talagang.
Wait, it's still open, honey.
Anong flavor?
Hindi pala si Kelly yun.
Wait, with matching na no? Oh!
Parang saya mo, te.
Talagang ano eh.
Iba pagka-burdo eh.
Ikaw pagkakadukid lang na profit.
Hinihintay ko nga lang yung coins.
Malaki ba yung profit sharing niya? Parang namang...
Kaya hindi ba tatanggalin na?
Malalasing ang tropa dyan.
Balay, maraming salamat.
You're welcome, Balay.
Hindi,
okay lang yun.
Hindi na nila kailangan.
Ace.
Nanay, tatay, ito naman galing sa amin.